Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert optional button in WPS Spreadsheet. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and after that you will see here a lot of really useful settings. Now I recommend you to move your cursor to the right side, and here we need to go to Forms. This option will let you to select different controls to insert into the document, such as labels, checkboxes, scroll bars and spinners. We need to click on this option to see the list of available options, and one of them is option button. If you want to insert it, you need to select option button from the list, and now we need to draw the box where you want to insert this button. So for example, I'm going to do it here, and now it has been successfully displayed here. For example, I will delete this text, and of course we need to delete button text too, so I do it now. And after that we can type here any option you want to have here, for example grapes. And now if you have filled the text, you can click outside of this box, and after that option will be ready to use. You can check this option or uncheck it if you want. You can press the undo option to uncheck the grapes. So in this way you can easily insert the option button in WPS Spreadsheet. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's not your problem.